Alright guys, as you can see, we have come to the beach where we are dredging sand. So I should come and see them. Dead beach. Alright, my people, I have come to Third Beach to see how it is, and as you can see, we are already here. We don't come. A beautiful river with a greenish water. It's natural anyway. Natural from God. This water where you see so natural beauty. Now in get. When we say in our water, when we say they color or they put one or two things. As you see, so as the wave they carry the water. Everything marama, everything fine. I remember that year when we say we dey bath. Ew! I dey pack sand for bottom of this river. Wow. It's been a long time. Don't see women come river. See my body they do me like say I can bath. Ew! Afa, you know how to swim, abi? You know sabi swim. Then how you come to know how to paddle swim. Like, sabi swim. Oh, see as the water cold, Jesus! Hey! Hey! Not versa.
Just the talk.
Ew! Ew! 15K for. Ah! I don't enjoy myself to do Guanyi no Ogwe. You don't tell, be like say make a boom back. Swan Nation! You don't push it.
Move them back to business and people they wait for you, so you know.
Yes. I'm coming out now. I'm coming out in a grand style. Parara spirit, no day here.